A stunning living room design showcasing a lush indoor plant wall, creating a serene and refreshing atmosphere. The wall is filled with various greens, including ferns, succulents, and air plants, arranged in a visually pleasing pattern. A large, comfortable couch sits in the foreground, inviting relaxation. The room is brightly lit with natural light, and modern furniture complements the organic feel of the plant wall. The wall is adorned with various shades of green, from small succulents to tall potted plants, creating a lush and vibrant garden-like atmosphere. The room is furnished with modern and comfortable seating, a cozy fireplace, and a large window that allows for ample natural light. The overall ambiance of the room is warm, inviting, and filled with a sense of tranquility and harmony with nature. An inspiring living room interior design featuring a stunning vertical indoor plant wall. The wall is filled with a diverse variety of lush green plants, including ferns, succulents, and air plants, creating a vibrant and refreshing atmosphere. The room is furnished with modern, sleek furniture in neutral tones, with a plush rug and cozy cushions. A large window allows for ample natural light, highlighting the beauty of the plant wall. A beautiful and lively indoor living room, featuring a unique wall of various potted plants. The plants are arranged in a modern geometric pattern with an assortment of greens and colors. The wall serves as a natural divider between the living and dining area, enhancing the space with a fresh and vibrant ambiance. The room also features comfortable seating, modern furniture, and a warm, glowing fireplace. The wall is adorned with an array of lush green plants, from ferns to succulents, all artfully arranged in a harmonious design. The plants provide a natural, calming atmosphere in the modern living space, which is illuminated by warm, ambient lighting. In the background, a cozy couch and a stylish coffee table invite relaxation, merging the beauty of nature with contemporary design. A stunning indoor living room featuring an innovative and eye-catching plant wall concept. The plants are arranged in a creative geometric pattern, adding a touch of nature to the modern space. The overall ambiance is cozy and inviting, with warm light streaming in through large windows, and the room is furnished with comfortable, stylish furniture. A stunning collage of 4 diverse living room designs, each featuring a unique and creative indoor plant wall. The first style showcases a modern, minimalist space with a vertical garden of succulents and air plants. The second style is a cozy bohemian room with a lush green wall of various leafy plants and vines. The third design is a chic, Scandinavian-inspired room with a stylish cactus wall, accented by modern furniture and decor. The fourth and final style is an eclectic, vintage-inspired room with a colorful wall of hanging plants and potted greenery. A beautifully designed frame showcasing 2 distinct living room indoor plant wall ideas. In the first style, a modern and chic living room features a vertical garden wall filled with an array of lush green plants interspersed with small ornate pots. The second style presents a bohemian-inspired room with a wall covered in an eclectic mix of plants, including succulents, ivy, and ferns, all nestled amidst colorful, patterned tapestries and fairy lights. Both designs exude a sense of warmth, tranquility, and harmony with nature. A stunning framed collage showcasing 5 unique and diverse living room designs, each featuring an eye-catching indoor plant wall. Style 1 is a modern minimalist living room with a vertical garden of lush green plants, creating a fresh and serene atmosphere. Style 2 is a bohemian-inspired space, featuring a vibrant plant wall with a mix of ferns, succulents, and colorful flowers. Style 3 is a cozy, rustic living room with an earthy plant wall made of tall potted plants and twinkling fairy lights. Style 4 is an eclectic, chic room with a bold, geometric plant wall, combining both real and artificial plants for a contemporary look. Style 5 is a luxurious, sophisticated living room with a vertical garden of exotic plants and elegant ornaments, adding a touch of elegance and refinement.